welcome to Growing Guitar. I have a very cool song from you from Mahmud Bin Asraf. Never heard of this guy before, but what a great voice. He sings Papaoutai. And this song, the title here is supposed to be kind of a clever misspelling of a French phrase that translates into "Dad, where are you?" And this is built upon Stromae's masterpiece with the same title, Papaoutai. And yeah, this song is trending right now, and I suppose it's nice to have that on Gorgon Guitar as well. So let's dive into this cool song here. I use a capo and I place it on the 4th fret to have the easiest chords possible. That's what I suggest you can do as well. And we're gonna go over the chords and look at them starting with C, okay? And C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have A minor next, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this chord. It's the exact same shape as C, but at this position it's called D add 4 add 9 if we want to be technical about it. So we're gonna play 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So exact same grip as C, you just have this position here. And then finally you have the E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And this is the chord through the entire song. Obviously you can play it in different ways. I showed in the introduction how I would perform it. It would sound something like this. So I added some version here with this note I want to highlight as well. First, we're going to learn the strumming pattern. And we have a 2-part strumming here. So we're going to look into the transition from C to A minor, and that will cover one full strumming round. So C, part 1, goes like down, up, clap. So, okay, so down, up, clap. And then you shift to A minor, quick, and play down, down, clap, down. So down, a short pause, and then down, clap, down. And that will end this strumming here. So down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. And then you translate that into the next 2 chords. The D add is played down, up, clap in the same way as A minor, and in the same way as C, and then E minor in the same way as A minor, down, down, clap, down. So from D to E minor goes like this. And that will be 1 round. That just goes on in the song. So a couple rounds. That is how I would play and perform this song. Okay, now you can also add a couple of notes here to get this melody going on here and there in the song. So it goes something like this. And these 2 notes are enough to get this certain kind of melody built into the strumming. So the trick here is to get the 2nd fret D string and the 4th fret D string. So, and you play that built into the strumming. So for the first part here, you're gonna skip the down up. You're gonna play the 2 notes and then the clap. Okay, and then you just part 2, just play as it is. Try to focus on the 2nd fret D string there on the A minor. And then you go to this D add. Now you don't hold the chord as it is. You try to have this grip. So you have the bass note from the D add chord. This is the 5th fret A string. But now you want still to have the melody from the 2nd D to 4th D. So that means a little bit stretchy to begin with. Index finger on the 2nd D. And then ring finger, I use that to get the 4th D. Okay? If that makes sense. And here, of course, you have short downs. You don't have to go, you don't want this down to go all the way down here, because you want to focus on the melody now. So short downstrokes on the A and D string. And then E minor, you play that as it is. Try to focus again on that D, 2nd D string. So that is how you build in the melody. So slowly it goes like this. And yes, that is some extra material, but still one string pattern. These 4 chords are just rules in the same way. We love that scenario. And that is how you played Papaoutai. I think that is close to how you pronounce it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.